Today, I'm in the Aldi aisle of shame, and there's so many good finds that beat Walmart and Amazon. I can't wait to show you. These foldable easels this week are such a good buy. They're only $4.99. These are substantial. These would be great in your kitchen or your office. You put your phone on there and your charger can fit through the back. All of them are white, but they have different color options at the bottom. I'm probably gonna get the cream one. For $4.99, I feel like this is a pretty sturdy charging easel. I'm gonna put it in my office, but you could put your phone or your tablet, you could put it vertically or horizontally. The thing that I really like about this is that you can have your phone plugged in. The cord can go down through here and be charging. This collapsible tub and dish drain I thought was pretty interesting, but if you don't have a lot of counter space and don't want your dish drain sitting out, wouldn't this be a great idea? You could fold it up really compactly, but pop it up when you need to use it. It comes in 2 different colors. You can get the blue one. There's also a gray option, and it looks like there might be a white option as well. Okay, I think this has to be one of the best bedside organizers that I have seen. It's only $7.99. It hooks on the side of your bed. It's made of canvas. It comes in 3 different colors. You can get the cream, there's a purple and a blue, but this would hold so many great items. I also think this would be great for a college dorm. I wish I would have saw this trash can before I was shopping at IKEA. I just bought a plastic trash can, and this one is metal, so much better made, and it's only $9.99. I gotta find a room in my house where I need one of these. Now, it comes in a bunch of different colors, but I really like this white one. It's circular, or if you prefer it to look like this is great for like a smaller space. You can get the rectangle one. This is the plastic IKEA trash can I got. This one that's aluminum is just gonna hold up so much better. You can save big time today on this easy spray mop. This would be so much more expensive on Amazon. This one's cool. It has the spray nozzle. It also has this detachable piece that you can throw in the laundry. They have it in gray and green, and it's priced at $14.99. OxiClean, I always have to have a few versions of this in my house. I like the powder version, I like the gel version, and the spray. So when I see it here on deal, I'm picking it up. I have never tried one of these foldable keyboards before. They have them here for $9.99. They're adorable. Look at these pink keys they have. They also have one with a pink background, or you could get like a plain black one. I want to try this out and see if it works. It says you can connect this to a tablet or even your phone. All right, we're gonna try out this keyboard. I switched it on, and then I press this button right here to connect it to my phone. I'm going to click on the Bluetooth keyboard to pair it. Okay, it says that it's connected. So we went into the Notes app, and I'm using, you guys, this $4.99 little easel here. I feel like that is perfect. Let's see if we can type. Oh my gosh, it's working. Now, I will say this keyboard is a little bit smaller than your standard keyboard, but if you like to type and you're wanting to type on your tablet or phone, I feel like this is a really great idea. And when you turn it off, it is so compact. Like, you could throw this in your bag. I think this is pretty cool for $10. Let me know down in the comments, do you use dryer balls? I've never used them. I would love to know what you think and if they work. They have them here at Aldi with several other accessories. This is a lint brush. I feel like this is really cool. It looks like it would be a good one that you could reuse. This is also a dryer vent brush that you can get for $4.99. We have one that we've shown you guys on Amazon, but this one's a little bit smaller and more compact if you're wanting that one. And then the wool balls come in the gray, or they have a cream one. So I just spent so much money on this on Amazon, and I wish I would have got it here. I think I might pick this up. I just bought one of these for my daughter. It was over $20. This is a laptop case. A lot of kids use these for school, or you could use it for your laptop. This I feel like is a really good deal. I'm gonna be getting one of these. This is a travel case for all your electronics. Do you guys know the one that I share on Amazon? Well, it's usually around $9.99. This one's $7.99, and the laptop case I just showed you, that's $7.99 too. I'm definitely kicking myself for buying this laptop bag, but hopefully I can save you a little bit of money. This was well over $20. Now it is pink, but look at this one, you guys. This is purple. The only difference I would say is maybe in the zipper. Honestly, the zipper is better, but exact same size laptop sleeve and about 1/3 of the price at Aldi. I have bought some of the best organization here at Aldi's. This is a 2-tier organizer they have priced at $14.99. All of the organization that I've bought has been really good quality. You could put something like this underneath a cabinet where you don't have shelves to organize your bathroom products. This is the item that I was most excited to find. This is a wireless charging clock. They have it in a wood version, which I think is definitely my favorite. They also have this black one. It's $14.99, so you have a clock. It also does the temperature, and you just put your phone on top to charge it. So I'm gonna set the time on the back. There's a set button, and then it says just to hit the up and down. Okay, that's set on the temperature. Now it looks like I'm on this one maybe. So I like that it has the time and temperature on it. That is very cool. Now I will say the charging is a little sensitive. So if you have your case off, it charges pretty well. But if your case is going to be on there, you need to make sure that you specifically move it so it is charging. So it has to be in that center portion. So just keep that in mind if you pick this up. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Aldi. Aldi has some of our favorite household items out. They have the Crest 3D White this week, but I will say it's $4.97, which is a comparable price to Walmart, so you're not really gonna save getting it here at Aldi this week. I love finding school supplies, especially cute school supplies, because I use notebooks all year round. I actually use just a plain notebook as my planner. They have these 3-pack of 3-subject notebooks, so a good sized notebook for $8.99, so that's $3 each for the notebooks. They come in these blue colors, but my favorite pattern has got to be the pink and cream. This is a desktop monitor riser, and you may be thinking, okay, I don't have a desktop computer anymore. I don't need this, but you could use this to organize anywhere. I've seen people put their coffee cups on here and then put K-cups underneath. You could organize this in your craft room. I could see putting my Cricut Joy on here and my tools down here. It's pretty heavy duty. It's actually metal with the drawer in the front. I just bought one of these water flossers off of Amazon, and I have to say it was about the same price. These are great. My daughters have braces, so they recommend having them if you have braces to really floss in between your teeth. They have them here this week for $19.99. If you're needing laundry accessories, Aldi is your place to go this week. This over-the-door drying rack, you could put this on any door, hang up all your clothes. I love that it's out of the way and will fit over a door. It comes in white or black. If you're a fan of the Aussie, you want to get it here at Aldi right now. I don't know why it's so much cheaper. It's $6.97 right now. They have 2 different options. They have their Miracle Moist that comes with avocado oil. They also have the one with apricot oil. You can get the shampoo and the conditioner. These collapsible laundry baskets are $12.99. These are great for college kids or just putting them away in small spaces. They have these wedge pillows. They're $14.99. If you see the side of them, these are great to like put on your bed and then put your regular pillow on top. They have this gray one. They also have like a green one, a white one, and it looks like back there they have a cream one. Now, if you're ever looking for any of the outfits that I'm wearing in any of my YouTube videos, I will have them linked for you down in the description box. And I have to tell you, my entire outfit, from the jeans to my new sandals and this shirt, are from Walmart. I have found some amazing stuff there recently, and I will link to all of it down in the description box. When my kids were little, everybody wanted those Pottery Barn matching backpacks, and I feel like this looks so similar. This one is really affordable. $14.99. I feel like that's a good deal. A lot of the ones I'm seeing at like Target are around $20, but this is a great substantial backpack. They even have the matching lunch boxes. They do come with thermoses and water bottles. My store is out of the purple version, but we have several backpacks still, and we also have several lunch boxes. So check your store. You may be able to find a matching set. They also have these adorable bento boxes. If you want the dinosaur version, my store has several of those and little lunch notes. So cute. A bento box on Amazon is way more expensive than $9.99. If you need a new upright sweeper set, these are adorable and they're only priced at $8.99. They have this cute little plaid one. This one is green. Oh, that's adorable with those flowers. And I think this one might be my favorite. They have this lemon one. If you're looking for an inexpensive steamer, I know that this price is going to beat Amazon. They have it in 3 different colors, black, white, and purple, and it's priced at $12.99. So if you don't want to spend a lot on a steamer, this may be one to try. I feel like these comfort mats are a great deal. Look how large they are. They're 20 by 39. These are great for in front of your kitchen sink or in your laundry room, and they come in 3 different patterns. If you don't have one of these folding step stools, these are great. I put one of these behind my pantry door. That way I always have a step stool when I need it. This is priced at $9.99. They hold up to 200 pounds and they come in 3 different colors. So I'm not sure if these collapsible mini bins are a good deal. You get 3 in the pack. These collapsible bins have been so popular. We've been seeing them at Walmart and Dollar Tree. They're $9.99 for the 3, and you can get them in 3 different colors. This is gonna be a hot school item this year that we just spotted at Dollar Tree. These stackable heart highlighters, but they're a little bit better quality here at Aldi. They're priced a little bit higher. They're at $2.99. You have the heart one. You also have this one that's macaroons. This is robot, and you also have the teddy bear option. If you like a flip calendar, they have these adorable ones here at Aldi. They're $4.99. They also have this color. If you want to plan an outdoor movie party, this projector screen is under $70. I think the kids would love this. Now, I know everybody's always interested in what the new stuff they have out at Aldi is, but my store keeps things for several weeks. So if something came out a few weeks ago, I'm usually able to find it. So hopefully you can do that at your store. But some of these furniture pieces I don't think came out this week, but this little couch table is perfect. It's under $15, and these are great as side tables, especially if you don't have a lot of room, like if you have a bigger couch and don't have a lot of room, this will tuck in really well. Storage ottomans are great in any room, and I feel like this is one of the more affordable prices I've seen them at, $14.99, but I honestly feel like everything at Aldi is $14.99. It comes in 2 different colors, blue, or it also comes in this cream. If you have a college student going off or have a small apartment, these are great for added storage. You guys, Delaney tried to convince me that it's a thing to have dill pickle and tomato candles. I didn't believe her, but they have them here at Aldi. This says delicious pickle. But when I smell it, it does not smell like a dill pickle. Like maybe I need to get it and burn it and see. But this one's called Fresh Picked Tomato. Let's see. Okay, this one smells like a tomato, like a fresh vine tomato. Let's get the dill pickle one and try it out. All right, we're gonna light this and see if my house smells like dill pickles. So this candle has been burning a while, and it does not smell like dill pickles, you guys. It honestly smells like cucumber melon, that Bath & Body Works scent they used to have. I don't know if they still have it, but really, it smells good. So if you're looking for a candle, this one's not bad. There's lots of tech out right now at Aldi. Now I know these aren't super fun, but these are items we need, and I love that we can get them at a discounted price. You have things like your wall outlets. These are pretty cool, heavy duty. You also have these fast charging power banks that are $14.99. Also, your fast charging accessories are here with your USB-C to Lightning for $7.99. And if you're needing some earbuds, these are great for back to school. They come in several different colors and they're priced at $9.99. The last time we shopped at Aldi, we asked you guys, do you want to see just the home decor or do you want to see our favorite food finds too? You said definitely show us what you like for food finds. So we're here today and we got some good ones. Do you guys know what Crave cereal is? Well, we found a dupe here at Aldi for the Crave cereal. It comes in 2 different versions. They have a s'more version and a chocolate strawberry. Aldi has 4 new spreads out right now. If you like a cookie butter, there's 2 different versions that they have. They have a creamy and a crunchy one. They also have a new peanut butter spread. This one is the honey, and they also have a dark chocolate peanut butter spread. If you like ramen, Gordon Ramsay has one here at Aldi. It's called the black garlic beef flavor, and it's priced at $1.79. I was excited when I saw these apple chips because I buy these in like small little snack size bags at Costco or Sam's Club, but these are a little bit bigger. They're $1.99. There's 2 different versions. This one is just like a plain pink lady version. This one is caramel. So I think I'm gonna try the caramel. These are just freeze-dried apples. I really wanted to try the caramel apple version of these apples. Let's see how they taste. Those are really good, and I feel like you get quite a few in here for that $1.99 price point. Do we need Minions goldfish? I feel like if you have somebody who loves Minions, these are cute, and they're over here in the new food aisle. Now, I don't buy a ton of these, but if you're looking for a treat, they are cheaper here at Aldi. So these little blue raspberry slushies, I think, are out for the summer. They're priced at 99 cents. They also sell these at Dollar Tree for $1.25. My family loves Cheez-Its. I've never seen this snack pack. You get 20 and you get all these different versions for $9.49. I'm getting one of these. So Aldi has some new whipped toppings. They have this chocolate one, but they also have this birthday cake one. It looks like it may have sprinkles in it. It's limited edition. Have you guys ever gotten the light string cheese here at Aldi? I love it for a snack. It's only 50 calories. I love these protein waffles. I get these frequently, but I saw somebody online say they have protein French toast sticks. So I'm gonna see if I can find those. Last time I was here, I got these strawberry and vanilla cones. You get 6 of them, the price $2.19. These were really good, I'm getting them again. A new item for the week are these mini stuffed pancakes. They have chocolate hazelnut inside. Not the most healthy, but maybe a fun treat. These cheesy garlic bread are new this week as well. It's a 6-pack priced at $8.49. I saw something similar at Costco. My store does not have the protein French toast. I'd love to know if you've tried them. Let me know down in the comments what you're gonna be picking up the next time you go to Aldi. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.